बात को, तो you can just say that talk to ma'am, and then you can just write the message that here the problem is. Okay, so shall we start now with our topic? अपन को क्या करना है आज? That is your Sclerenchyma.
Sclerenchyma.
हाँ, okay, Sclerenchyma, fine. Okay, so I'm presenting my screen, children. Okay, in the other section, you know, I have completed with the plant tissues. So I am thinking कि आज अपन भी plant tissues पूरा complete कर लें. See again the network going. Again the network connection is going. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Okay, so now we'll start with the Sclerenchyma, children. Write down the subheading in your notebook, Sclerenchyma. So the first feature, write down the characteristic features. So number one, they are made up of dead cells. They are made up of dead cells. Then next point, write down. The internal space is absent. Internal space of the cells is absent. Then third point, write down, they do not have intercellular spaces. They do not have intercellular spaces. Yashika, can you read out what characteristic features of Sclerenchyma you have written? Yashika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so read out the first characteristic feature.
They are made up of living cell which may be spherical or oval or elongated.
So you are reading which one? We are doing Sclerenchyma, Yashika. Read out Sclerenchyma features.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
They are made up of dead cells.
All have noted this first feature, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second point now, Yashika.
They do not have protoplasm.
So write down this feature, third feature, write down, children. They do not have protoplasm. याद रखना, अगर डेड सेल है तो फिर उसमें प्रोटोप्लाज्म नहीं होता. They will not have the nucleus, no cytoplasm. Okay, so this is the third feature. Write it down. That they do not have, means the cells do not have the protoplasm. Okay, Yashika, next point.
The cells are long and narrow thread-like.
Write it quickly. What is the shape or what is the structure of the cells? The cells are thin, narrow, and elongated, thread-like. Cells are thin, narrow, elongated, thread-like. Writing, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Akshara noted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yashika, now next feature.
The cell wall is highly thickened due to lignin.
Lignin. The cells are highly thickened due to lignin.
Ma'am, the cells are
highly thick. The cell wall is, write down. The cell wall is highly thickened. The cell wall is highly thickened. The cell wall is highly thickened due to lignin. Due to lignin. Is the screen visible, children, now?
Ma'am, due to
Lignin. 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 Due to lignin. Is the screen visible to you, children?
no, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am. It's only your email profile picture.
Huh? Acha. The screen is not visible. Na? Sharing is not going on. Na?
yes,
Ma'am, now
ma'am.
you left.
What? Not audible.
I'm audible. Ma'am, you are audible.
अच्छा और स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रहा ना मगर
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
अच्छा शेयरिंग आज दिक्कत दिख रहा है चलिए ठीक है तो यू डू इट आई वाज थिंकिंग टू शो यू द वीडियो एंड देन नोटपैड आल्सो आई कैन यूज चलो आज हम लोग ऐसे ही कर लेते हैं कोई बात नहीं तो बात समझ में आ गई sclerenchyma tissue Rama will tell me now quickly the features which we have noted just now so what type of the cells the sclerenchyma will have and what is the shape of that Rama quickly read out all the features.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ
The cells of sclerenchyma tissues are dead.
हाँ okay. Then second.
They are narrow and elongated cells.
Very good. And
They have thickened lining due to lignin.
हाँ that you add up there that they are thin, narrow, elongated, and thread-like. So they are called fibers. Add up, children. So-called fibers. ये भी उधर लिख लो. So-called fibers. Understood, na? हाँ. Then next about the cell wall. Yes, Rama.
The
What
cell
type-
wall are thickened due to lignin.
Due to the lignin. हाँ, okay. So remember, cell wall जो cellulose की होती है, उसके ऊपर से lignin एक substance वो carbohydrate है, type of carbohydrate, it gets deposited. तो cell wall और thick हो जाती है. That is why they are very hard and stiff. The sclerenchyma tissue is very hard and stiff. Okay, the next feature. Yes, next feature, Rama.
Can I?
Yes, Shubham.
They do not have protoplasm.
They do not have protoplasm. They do not have intercellular spaces. ये add up कर लो. They do not have intercellular. They do not have.
Internal space is absent.
हाँ, intercellular spaces. हाँ, internal space absent. वो तो आपने second point लिख ही दिया है. Intercellular space absent. वो भी लिखे.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what is the difference between intercellular spaces and internal spaces?
Okay. Internal space, when I am saying it means inside the cell. There is no space. Okay, and when we say intercellular space, it means कि cells के बीच में space नहीं है. Cells are tightly packed. Is it clear? और क्योंकि वो dead है तो अंदर कोई cavity नहीं बचती है. That is internal space. Okay. Rama, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, ठीक है. Okay, now Yashika will tell me quickly the next feature. अब जल्दी से location बता दो.
There is no cavity inside the cell.
हाँ, वो अभी अपन लिख चुके. ठीक है, वो internal space, that is only the cavity. Okay, Yashika, tell now the location point. Where
They are present in stem, around vascular bundles, in the veins of leaf, in the hard covering of seeds and nuts.
हाँ, so this way you will say, so others will not be able to write. You have to dictate.
Can you repeat, Yashika?
हाँ, यशिका रिपीट.
Yes.
कहाँ कहाँ मिलता है? It is present in the stem.
Stem.
Comma, right? Comma, कुछ comma children. Then write around the vascular bundles. Around the vascular bundles. Then comma, veins of the leaves. So children, you all know ना that leaves में जो धागे धागे दिखते हैं, अगर अपन वाटर में डालेंगे ना तो यू नो पूरा नेटवर्क बस बचता है. पीपल लीफ का कई बार देखा होगा आपने. So that is made up of the sclerenchyma, that is the dead cells. Okay, so the veins of the
मैम वेस्कुलर बंडल्स के बाद क्या?
vascular bundles, then veins of the leaves. Veins of the leaves. Yashika, next then.
In the hard covering of seeds and nuts.
In the hard covering of seeds and nuts. Hard covering of seeds and nuts. तो जितने भी seeds है, आपको पता है seed coat कितना hard रहता है? So it is made up of the sclerenchyma tissue. Same with nuts also. You know the groundnut cover. Then your अखरोट सबने खाए हैं, walnuts. अखरोट के ऊपर की कवरिंग देखिए कितनी हार्ड रहती है. ठीक है. So that is made up of which tissue, children? Which tissue?
Sclerenchyma tissue.
Sclerenchyma.
हाँ, कोकोनट के ऊपर जो अपन धागे धागे निकालते हैं when we use before that, so they are also sclerenchyma tissue. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hard covering of seeds and nuts. Noted everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now Yashika, आप जल्दी से function बताइए. So next point, write down children the function. So can anyone tell what the sclerenchyma will do?
Makes plant hard.
हाँ.
Ma'am, they will protect the plant from the outer conditions.
That is, it will provide the mechanical support. Okay, it will make the plant hard and stiff. Okay, so write down quickly. It makes the plant hard and stiff, provides mechanical support, makes the plant hard and stiff, and provides mechanical support. Provides mechanical support. Noted everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the characteristic features of the sclerenchyma. Now the figure is given, children, of the collenchyma also and the sclerenchyma both in the textbook. You will draw the diagram. Okay, now types of sclerenchyma. Write down the next subheading, types of sclerenchyma.
Ma'am, what diagram we have to make?
The figure which is given now, one fiber is given in the book, in the figure. Try to see there in the textbook if you have the textbook just now. तो sclerenchyma का भी फिगर बनाना है, ऐसे ही collenchyma का TS बनाना. Transverse section, not the longitudinal section. Two are given in the textbook. Okay, so you will make the transverse section of the collenchyma. And the sclerenchyma, they have given the fiber there. Done na? Okay. Yashika has written in the chat box. So now we will start with the types of the sclerenchyma. So there are two types of sclerenchyma, children. Number one, write down the fiber. And number two, stone cells. Number two, stone cells. So fibers, can Yashika tell me the structure of the fibers?
Yes, ma'am.
What structure do they
Can
have?
you repeat?
Number one, fibers. Fibers. So write it that they are thin, long, thread-like. They are thin, long, thread-like.
Ma'am, narrow.
Narrow. हाँ.
Ma'am, can you repeat, please?
They are thin, narrow, narrow, long, thread-like. Thread-like. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And then write down where they are present. So they are found in the husk of coconut. They are found in the husk of coconut. तो कोकोनट में इतने क्लियर अपन को बिल्कुल थ्रेड्स दिखते हैं, बिल्कुल धागे धागे जैसे हार्ड. Okay, that is sclerenchyma fibers. Okay, now take up stone cells. So they are spherical, oval. They are spherical or oval cells. Oval cells, and they will be dead क्योंकि sclerenchyma तो dead हो.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
They are spherical or oval cells with no lumen and highly thickened walls with no lumen. Lumen का मतलब cavity होता है children. Internal space जो आपने लिखा है that is only known as lumen. So no lumen and highly thickened walls. Highly thickened walls. अच्छा, tell me children, you have eaten pears?
Can you repeat?
सबने नाशपाती खाई है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नाशपाती में आपने देखा है the pulp of it has got the small grains.
Yes, ma'am.
How many have observed? नाशपाती जब खाते हैं अपन उसमें, हाँ, okay, Nakul says yes. Who else has observed that in the pulp of nashpati the small granules are there? They are very hard. Okay, Hitendra also has seen. Fine. Shubham, custard, right? Custard apple also has. Very good. Okay, and one more fruit also has. Guava also has those small grains. Okay, तो वो grains क्या है? They are the stone cells, children. Okay, stone cells, they are present in the citrus fruits also. Citrus fruits का जो cover होता है आप लोग का oranges के rinds, the orange cover, the peels of the oranges. And you know orange का peel का powder बनाते हैं, then you use it as a face scrub. Yeah, almonds also. Okay, so face scrub क्यों use? Why it is used in the face scrubs? You know why? Because of the stone cells it has. Okay, so these stone cells acts as the scrub. So stones, okay, Yashika is writing in the chat box. You can check it if you wish. So stone cells are also called sclerids, children. The other name, the technical word for the stone cell is sclerids. Noted all of you all or not? So where they are found? They are found in the citrus fruits, the peels of the citrus fruits, then pears, almonds, so we have completed with the sclerenchyma. So we have completed with the simple. Shubham, say your doubt.
Ma'am, lumen means क्या होता है?
Lumen का मतलब cavity. सेल के अंदर की जो स्पेस होती है उसको बोलते हैं अपन ल्यूमेन. दैट इज द इंटरनल स्पेस और द कैविटी प्रेजेंट इनसाइड द सेल. तो स्टोन सेल के अंदर कोई कैविटी नहीं होती, ठीक है. पूरा का पूरा वो थिकनिंग, जो डिपोजिशन होता है सेल वॉल का, लिग्निन का, वो इतना ज्यादा होता है कि उसमें कोई कैविटी बचती ही नहीं है. Is it clear? So Yashika is writing. You all can check the chat box also. Noted all of you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I
Yes,
hope
ma'am.
now understood the simple permanent tissues, and then we have completed with the meristematic tissue. Now the last remaining is the complex permanent tissue. So what are those complex permanent tissues? Do you all know? Examples बता दो.
Xylem and phylum.
Xylem and phloem.
Phloem, yeah, xylem and phloem. So why do you call them complex permanent tissues?
Ma'am, because they have different kind of cells.
Ah, very good. Okay, so you all have noted last time. Everyone has this written that they are the
No, ma'am.
no. So write it there. Complex permanent tissues. Complex permanent tissues. Subheading you put complex permanent tissues. Then write down they are made up of more than one type of cells. They are made up of more than one type of cells. Should I try presenting once again, children? Okay, today the sharing problem is coming. They are made up of more than one type of cells. Done, everyone? And why you call them permanent, children? Can anyone give me the answer?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, because they lose the ability to divide.
Very good. They have lost the ability to divide. They do not have the ability to divide. इसलिए अपन को परमानेंट बोलते हैं. उन सेल्स में कोई चेंजेस नहीं होगा. जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो परमानेंट है. वेरी गुड. Okay, so everyone should be able to understand these all things. Okay, why we call them complex, why we call them permanent. Okay, so now we will take up quickly the xylem tissue. So what are the elements of the xylem tissue?
Trachea, vessels, xylem, parenchyma, xylem.
Okay, very good. So write down quickly the four elements. The screen sharing going on, children? Not. No.
No, ma'am.
It shows here, but there it is not showing. Okay.
Ma'am, in complex tissue, we have to write they are made up of more than one type of cell only. No?
One type of cells, yes. More than one type of cells. इसलिए उसका स्ट्रक्चर कॉम्प्लेक्स हो जाता है. ओके, सिंपल नहीं बचता स्ट्रक्चर, तो अपन उसको कॉम्प्लेक्स परमानेंट टिश्यूज बोल रहे हैं. ओके, सो नाउ xylem, write it quickly. They are made up of four elements. They are made up of four elements. Number one, tracheids. 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 Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. TRA.
Ma'am, can you repeat the element?
Number one, tracheids. 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 Then number two, write down vessels. 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 And number three, xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma.
Ma'am, can you repeat the first one?
Trachea,
My screen visible, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Tracheids, TRACHEIDS. Tracheids. Second element, vessels. Third, xylem parenchyma. Fourth, xylem fibers. Xylem fibers. Noted. Now what are trachees? So trachees, they are narrow tube-like structures with tapering ends. Screen visible, children?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Thank God. Okay. So now write down quickly. I'm writing there. You can see my screen also. It will become easy for you. Okay. The first element which constitutes the xylem tissue, it is the trachees. So trachees structure what? That they are long, narrow, tube-like.
The screen is frozen.
Okay. Not visible.
Ma'am, the screen is visible, ma'am, but it is paused.
Okay.
And now it's visible.
And now it is visible.
Acha, okay. They are long, narrow, tube-like, with tapering ends. Placed one above the other. Is it clear to everyone? All can see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ये tube जैसे होते हैं, they will have the tapering ends. So these tubes are placed one above the other. So when they will be placed one above the other, you can understand a long pipe-like structure will be formed inside the stems. And that way, through those tubes only, the transport of the water and minerals will take place from roots till the top of the plant, that is till the leaves. Okay. The second element of the xylem tissue, it is the vessel. Okay, so vessels are, they are cylindrical. You can write down, they are cylindrical. Broader. Tubes placed one above the other. So now try to understand xylem. You find little narrow they are, tube-like. Okay, and they have the tapering ends. But the vessels do not have the tapering ends. They are broader cylindrical structures. Okay, and they are also placed one above the other. So they'll form a continuous tube-like structure. So you find they will also help in the transport of water and minerals. So you write down functions of both. Trachees भी क्या करते हैं? They also help in transport. Should I write down, children, or you all have added up?
When the screen is frozen and your writing is not visible.
Achha, what I'm writing is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Transports water and minerals. So write it down, what I'm saying. Okay, same way vessels also do what? Transport what?